Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Mercedes-Benz 190 E2.5-16 EVO-2. Honestly, that is a huge ass name and I'm really thirsty at this point. So okay, so this is from by Majorette from their vintage series, and I bought this for $399, which is the MRP. Prices has increased now. That is really sad. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, pull this out. Okay, so before we go to the casting, let me showcase this to you guys. There's a beautiful card out here, and you can see the feature of the car. Okay, this one actually has the card out here from left to right instead of right to left. Okay, so here is the specification of this car. Okay, let's move to the casting itself now. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the paint job is really nice. It is a glittery silver, but it is really beautiful, and it has acrylic headlights here. So the grill details are just painted on. That is the only thing which really irritates me at this point. But so overall the casting looks really beautiful, and it has tail light details here. So this is a full metal body including the spoiler here, and plastic chassis, plastic wheels. So this particular set of rims actually goes well with this particular casting, and you can see the interior here. That is really nice. Feels weightless, and it has wiper detail also here, which is really nice. Okay, so this has openable part here. I think that's the max you can open. Let me see. Okay, this is a bit tight to open. So some measures does have this issue, like it is very tight. Okay, honestly the interior looks really nice. It is unique to this specific casting, you can see here. Dashboard looks really nice. Okay, let's close and see. Snaps back right into place, real nice and tight. The door handle details are really nice, and it has rear view mirrors. This is actually a bit unique to this specific casting, so I'm really happy about it. And so this is kind of slippery actually, like it has a clear coat on top of the actual paint job. The lines looks really nice on this one. It is not really that heavy. Let's weigh this casting. I think it will come somewhere around 43 or 42 grams. Okay, 37 grams. It's okay, it's not really that bad. Let's see if it has suspension. It does have suspension. I don't remember if I tested suspension on Volvo. Okay. Okay. Okay, both wheels wobble actually, but it does roll really well. Both wheels wobble a lot, to be honest. But so I'm not going to play with majorettes, but let's rate this casting. So I'm just taking 0.5 just for this grill detailing here. It is just painted. They could have went with like either embossed or something like that, but they just painted on it. So this rolling part, it might not be universal. Maybe only mine is not rolling really that well. So usually roll test, we rolling, we won't consider rolling under rating, so because it varies. So we are not keeping that. We are keeping only the common things. So this is the common thing here. You will be also having the same thing. So I'm reducing 0.5 for that, so 9.5 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.